connect the Fiat 500 to Bluetooth on your phone. So if this is the Uconnect dash, if you've got this one, this is how you do it. So we'll start on the phone tab here at the bottom, which we've got selected. There's no phone connected at the moment. We'll click settings and add device. And that's going to start the Bluetooth pairing. So on your phone, make sure your phone is searching and it will come up with a Uconnect. So there you go, there's a Uconnect we're looking for. And the next thing it'll do is it'll give you a pairing pin. So make sure the pins are the same, so you know you're connected to the right car. If yeah, pair and yes. So this is just to make you on the favorite. So if you're pairing multiple phones, if you want this to be your favorite, click yes. And then if you want to use your phone as a telephone, use this one as well. So yes, there again. Make sure you do the same on your phone side. And then that's it. Now you've got access to telephones and favorite. So that's done.